السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ تمام ناظرین کو اس چینل پہ خوش آمدید۔ آج ہم ایک ایسی ویڈیو آپ کو دکھائیں گے جس کی بہت ہی آپ کو بھی خوشی ہوگی اور ہمیں بھی، کیونکہ ڈاکٹر ذاکر نائیک نے 5 نان مسلم بہنوں کو اسلام قبول کروایا اور ان بہنوں نے خود خوشی سے اسلام کو قبول کیا ہے۔ ہم ان کو مبارکباد کہتے ہیں اور آپ یہ ویڈیو دیکھیں اور خوشی کا اظہار کریں، کمنٹ میں اپنی خوشی کا اظہار کریں اور چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں، ویڈیو کو زیادہ سے زیادہ شیئر کریں اور لائک کریں۔
MashaAllah, we have here 6 additional sisters, MashaAllah. Sister, please can you tell your name and the country where you come from? Please, each one can tell your name and the country where you come from.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Angelica from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Assalamualaikum. Good evening everyone. My name is Judy and I came from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Good evening, my name is Joy, I'm from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Johannes from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum
My name is
assalam
Sailin Junisho from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Hello, my name is Susel. I'm from Cuba. Thank you.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. We have got 6 sisters, 5 from Philippines and 1 from Cuba. Sister, do you believe that there is only one God?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Do you believe that Jesus is not God?
Yes.
You believe he's not God?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last and final messenger of God?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Are you accepting Islam out of your own free will?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
Is anyone bribing you?
No.
Good, MashaAllah. Because in Islam, we cannot force anyone to accept Islam. If someone forces it, is wrong. So, inshallah, what you said, what I asked you in English, I'll say in Arabic, you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God
there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and
and
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
Prophet Muhammad
Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant of Allah.
and servant of Allah.
Takbir! 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 MashaAllah, MashaAllah sisters, we welcome you to the fold of Islam and we welcome you to the family of 2 billion Muslims. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, you have made them more happy than my talk. See, MashaAllah. So many clap, MashaAllah. Imagine you have made more than 5,000 people here happy. Imagine what thawab you'll get, all you sisters. You'll get the Prophet and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you multiple times more thawab than me, inshallah. The happiness that you have caused to the people here and all those who are watching, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He help you guide your family members and your friend circle to Islam.